shot. We need you to do it for the shot.
What's happening right now? Do I need to do anything?
No, just, yeah, maybe like tiny bite. You don't have to eat a lot.
Yeah,
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video from World's Best Adventures. I'm Alexander Popp, and today we are going to be tasting some backpacking food. With me today is Jamie. Say
hi, everybody.
Now Jamie, let me ask you a question. Are you a backpacker? Have you ever been backpacking before?
No and no.
Okay, so you've never tasted like backpacking food, the types of food that hikers eat when they're out in the backcountry, miles away from anywhere, like a stove or oven.
Can't say that I have.
Awesome. Well, you're in for a treat because you're going to get to taste a bunch of foods today that I ate all the time when I was through hiking the Appalachian Trail.
Okay, I'm
Excited?
excited.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Awesome. Stay tuned. So starting with breakfast, it's the first meal of the day. Ate a lot of breakfast on the trail, and I prepared two meals that I eat all the time. Oatmeal with peanut butter and honey, and then a honey bun tortilla roll up with peanut butter.
Wow. Okay, here we go. I can see how that's a little bit of a treat too.
It is, but you can't just like eat the honey bun by itself because that's like sticky. You got it all over your hands, you know.
Good point. Good point.
You pop it in a tortilla, which adds another, 100 to 200 calories, and you're good to go. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for sharing this, Alex. Hey,
So-
Alex, what do we have?
All right,
now?
so we got a lunch course now. So for lunch, probably one of the most common things that backpackers eat, like on long trails, long section hikes like that, is tuna. And another thing that you're going to see that was in our last course is tortilla. These are very, very common things that people eat. Fancy tuna.
Cheers.
So it's not just eating like a mouthful.
A lot of flavor.
Yep. So the last thing, obviously dinner, last course, I have for you a ramen bomb. For anybody that doesn't know what a ramen bomb is, it is basically ramen, mashed potatoes, meat, whatever else you want to put into it, cheese. It's a bunch of stuff, but the two main ingredients are instant mashed potatoes and instant ramen.
Okay, here it goes. It's thick. It's good. It's tasty.
Salty.
Salty. It tastes like mashed potato noodles.
That's what it is.
Okay.
That's exactly what it is.
So why put the noodles in it when I feel like a potato soup with some sort of ham or meat product?
It's
Wouldn't
just
that
extra
extra?
carbs. Yeah, extra carbs.
So, Jamie, will you be going home and cooking a ramen
This will
bomb?
be my last ramen bomb unless I'm out on the trail.
We got one more thing. I know you've never had a Mountain House meal.
No.
So this is another thing that's very common. It's a prepackaged, freeze-dried meal. They come in all shapes and sizes, flavors.
Hey.
Yeah, you basically pour boiling water into this and then eat it out of the bag.
All right.
So you can go first if you want. I'll stir it up a minute.
It smells fragrant. Oh. Vegetables are big. They look like they plumped up. They look fresh.
Yeah. good. I mean, it tastes like curry.
That's surprisingly good. That tastes like a fresh hot meal. Wow.
Yeah. It's actually surprisingly good.
Would you try it again, or is there one that you would eat again?
I would definitely try it again. I would like other options, I think.
Okay. So you
Additional options.
want me to present you with a new menu next time?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that a
something-
challenge?
Let's
Okay.
make it a challenge.
Okay.
I think it's something I'd like to explore more.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.